Okay, so today we're basically going over scientific notation. So for example, if you have like a decimal number, for example something really small, like this, 0.000006, we can write that as 6 times 10 to the negative 6th power. So the way it works is like this. What we do is, if you have just one whole number like this, what you do is you move the decimal point all the way to the right. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now if you're moving the decimal points to the right, so in other words, if you're moving from like a very small decimal number, what happens is that the powers of 10 become a negative number. So if you move to the right, the powers become negative. So if you move again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We move 6 times, so it becomes 10 to the negative 6th power, and then we just write the 6 in front of that. So 6 times 10 to the negative 6th power is also equal to this. This is a much more efficient shorthand way of expressing the same number instead of writing all these zeros. Okay, so now if you go to like a really large number, like right here, I believe this is 5,400,000. Okay, sometimes we don't want to have all these zeros, so we can write this in scientific notation. And to do that, what we do is we move from the right to the left, and the place you're supposed to stop. Okay, so if you have like whole numbers like this, like 5, 4. Right, you're supposed to stop one decimal point before, all right, the left-handmost number, because there's no point in going one more this way, because then it becomes a decimal number and that's kind of weird. So we stop just one short of the left-hand digit, so that's why it's 5.4. So let's count here from right to left. All right, see how many times it with decimal points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So that's why it becomes times 10 to the 6th power. So whenever you move decimal points from the right to the left, when you have like a big number like this, right, you get a positive exponent. But if you have a small number and you're moving from left to right, you have a negative exponent.